Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
I say, oh, hey, yakokrano. I feel the training abem. I don't know. Maybe when I mean, no, I'm a tea and pay me tea and any could your punk masuka sign. I don't know. What do you make of it? Who is it?
Tell me that's a baby. Me share with you for Nara.
You're Joseph Fred.
Same say sometimes when we be out the best share say go dey free. Na we be a odikuwie. Because that's rightly said. Na say me share say. Na ye nyina adwen so onkrofo na omudi o ma grobi. Na anya ade a obetimi aka say they really mean what they are doing.
Or they even understand what they are doing.
They understand what they are doing. But I still think they don't understand what they are doing.
We are sure.
Because I come out in something na sia. Now come me how impossible it is for them to have what they are calling for. We're gonna maybe I do nature man. Na o share Trans-Togo and Abako Sema. Any boundary that is limited to only current day Ghana. Something we cannot master.
Yeah.
And part of Togo. And echo a part of Burkina Faso. And the question was how all these areas, some of the sovereign nations are almost so much now nice. And the equipment I bet fast so I bet me and your one can boom. No, I can for me a new nation. And no make I say Ebia and Grofo mu yesa dia akasa no. Omo anka someone tin sem nyina se prekope. Ga ka omo nim say ade na omo ye na nkosi bebia. Ebia ka omo se omo mre e wo ho. Ana se obi e na eda da omo. Na omo ye omo so omo ntiase. But I think say asema be. Either to yen in Aka, so trap or crown, I must say, on an or teaching now. Yen in Aka, so share the ignore consuming name. A bed times, I said, a bed chain on a dark or two now, a be our be war or my money in answer. And see, I was one of the person who says, "Send me the bay, yeah, Jan, no man in court." Because I don't think, say, Nejina be no woman, or you'll be a better influence baby. But to the extent that see the Atinyati training camp, na Jokra training a month for take forest neck Kahuni Nadia. I ain't kakra. Good news ni say our security says Omunda. We are told say Omkoyo Prince Bio.
Yeah.
My estimate nipa about 21. Ebiso Atinya Jania Faho. I pray and hope say you bet me and your money now. Maybe what we should be doing at this time, any chairman, and they say, you take your opportunity. Now, you mo be anti-as ye, nanti or nyomo ye no, and you're possible. Our month means asidi. Ebia, say education le confirm. In the areas that Sanya make okos, you know, for the anti-as ya. Obia be who say, enti koso. Because the amount of conspiracy theories are echoes on the ground. I don't know where the story started from, but so at the time now it's only that plebiscite, no. It was said after 50 years they can review the plebiscite to decide that they want to be part of, because a bit of kind, Ghana history, or secondary school history.
Yeah.
There is a chapter they call Ewe question. And according to the story, Ghana really would have attained independence in 1957. But this issue also became very, very important at the time. Say Trans-Togo land, and if an ejina, and you be a join the French colony, I join Togo, and as a much now on your own as a nation, and I'm joining Gold Coast for me independent. It became an issue. And now I'm going to call a plebiscite of the United Nations. And some persons today still believe, say, I am passed that plebiscite, now we can review it and go back to the old order. But reality is say Ghana now is a sovereign nation. Ghana now has a constitution. Ghana today as it stands. E wonyamo betime o mewe mu ni ontimi nya o mewe mu. So to the extent say what may mu a or money constitution e boy nyina ho ban untimi sorry e na ho pese me de say na me pete me na me pe. I don't think say very possible. I think what all of us need to be doing at this point, and those who understand the issues better, and the chairman, we need to educate ourselves. We need to lay the fast bare. Obianti asye. Me so education e confirm no obianti nyamani nyina asye. Obi fan chenkwa na oba so obedada. Ana obeka e bi se acho dem ko ebibia. Obetinya agbagu preko person ko se omre. For you may know some of the persons are near country of the among this 21. Omunche de nim what if you invited to come and join?
Are we sure?
No, Abia. I'm saying Abia.
Because interestingly, according to news reports, by Ebimo CSC Yomukudi Soja, police, or by Biomi or CSC Yomkwako or Chinese company, Omudu on Yajijo mobile phones in Yani account machine Remo. And Omaya Yankuma Dibia Kachrom say, Omo cross boundary way. Snakes be or high back on BB Basabi said, no can no crest and no crest another matter.
So, Chairman, that shows you see, Oshe, what can feel literature and grow for it, meet your mom, this terrorist neck, how you now. Obi, why a chinny finny fear force let Nico. Only baby or co, only a demon or coye, or could do an indoctrinating. Nay, I trained the Amsterdam son, but we are not Saturday Yama. Until people get involved in these things, without necessarily knowing at the beginning what they are invited to come and join. And then I can say it is possible, say, some of the persons involved today, and share their name near from now, but here, culture show Ghana for Scana Abekreti training can be a ho. Now, by Jenny Soldier, then I can so call Johnny Ghana forces and I call Johnny Ghana police. Then I call Shane William. Now for so now different. And then I can say I am happy say at least. I saw that for ya chiamu. Ebe here say ye to trouble nyina no. We should understand them individually say eyadea na edi omkoche momoti ase.
Obi the bibia bad to buttress your point. Or say your friend Pythagoras or say Mrashebe dia for na was our constituencies hono. Ebia omonso enko and starting your education. Emma, the various people in their constituency say separatism and I say yeti and we free Ghana no nya dia ebebo ebia ebitimi aboa because omo leaders of the various constituencies.
Chairman, this proposal may not necessarily be a bad one. But from where I sit, I think say Ojai the members of parliament you may have a lot of problems. I have heard a few people who have said in the past that even some persons, well educated, who became even prominent in politics and the rest, years back, as a some of these things, and were even pushing some of these things. And nothing I make can say we cannot just say, "Oh, to handle this issue." We have historians across the entire country. We must take it as a civil responsibility, whichever body that have that power, to go down and educate people. What is the chairman?
Yeah.
Because na bottom line, I didn't aside the bedroom paper so I drew nay. And again, I'm going from Volta region or T region. When I declare this subject, you are also very careful. I'm telling you the facts. Because I'm alcohol now. There is this perception. I don't know where it is coming from. Some persons feel say the area is neglected. What I say? The people for the area is neglected. The people for say they are treated as though they are strangers.
Okay.
I don't know where that perception is coming from. But there is that thing when you engage people on the quiet, one-on-one, you get some of these sentiments. And looking at me can say, so where we sit today, we are a unitary state, one sovereign country, finish. Yen na Ghana for obi eniwa, also see obi, and now ye pass obi, and that's off region way. In fact, we are not even seen regionally. We are seen as a nation, one people. And to me, dear, what I can propose is that we shouldn't leave the conversation to just leaders from those communities. For all you may know, Obia FUL are there with Pochama. On free any of those regions, so and on free
Ebi of you also think crime.
And now think crime. Obi won your other ulterior motive be and all the pia. For all you may see, among you say, all of us are learning every day. I'm telling you, Obega so now a political party ministry stronghold. And some of this is a cost war. Now this affection is created on the ground. Who will benefit from it? All these theories are there. ABI, is it the case of Obi? I should let a baby and not pull the strings. Okay, let's create some disaffection there. Let's create some confusion in that region. Now, politically, all these are possibilities. Okay. I don't have any evidence. I'm just conjecturing. Okay. But they are all possibilities. And me, I can say, Pempeso ya dream. Ebe here say, at the church, and Queen. Yema right from Nkola Obianti asye. Ya bakosem. The way Ghana bedane Ghana ne. Say yeah before independence. Yeah your mind to send the etimu. Before independence and I said just after that, we have pinned ourselves together. And we have bedane on my bakupe. Oshe Ghana eba ekra say the system of governance here to see. A man for the proposing even the federal system of governance. Some said we should go the way we have it. All manner of things. I think that we need to go back and look at our history very well. I am worried. I don't know what the system is currently. I am told that even history at the basic level, once you are seeing these signals, because in Church morning, Sanya me nyama, ye can o school. Nyama nyama, a man for can fear yeti.
Ana abedane ni adane.
Abedane ni adane. Mutifie na bia wanka bi kan bibi, o mama bi kan papa bi nana bi na ono money oral history from his perspective or that being the can no one can ne o bia na abedane the reality in your mind. And nothing because say be year we should go back. Let us help the young generation to appreciate where we have come from as a people. And san ne ya bedane omanya yetima ese nipa bakope. Because near course here and I have been very worried tying into this vigilante near Kosunya na chairman. Okay, kind near Koso Boko Haram semi in Nigeria. If you go and read the literature around it, it took just one person, no chairman.
I know.
It took just one person. A man the same way almost say environment be now maybe or one area be the environment is conducive. Quickly they want to tie in. They move into that area. Form an alliance and start supporting and start providing things. Nekosui can even transcend our boundaries.
Yep.
Obitini baby, I want to say a day way or a man for best starting push you. And to Tiabra or discard the Sunday.
Don't forget, say, people always benefit from conflict.
They benefit from conflict. They benefit from conflict. Now, chairman, go for manufacture all these ammunition there. Kaunina. Eku ambane amtoa. Sene guomano. And sometimes they instigate some of these things. But the major problem is supply ammunition. They take over and make their money. And so, in discussing this issue, we should not close our minds to just a narrow perspective. Or big, it can be anything at all. And so, we need to move in. I am happy the military has moved in now. But okay, the past 1 year. The rate at which asemia ba and ya chiomu ya dioma ba ya jamu we no press conference na sema kese na I think it's becoming one too many.
Yeah.
If we want to get to the bottom of this issue, this is the time for us to do it. Once we are educating people, it will be only fair and proper say umraso I was on mind so no yen hwe be bia mra ne gina na yen hwe ekwa betimi afa sam na de etuma na obi ehu nyo betimi aye as on my back, and now to me. Make sure they are approaching this. We'll be able to find a solution, Chairman.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.